Hello, it's Bill Proyus here, and with today's video, I want to show you if you want to build your business online leveraging the power of Facebook, to consider very seriously to create a Facebook fan page, a Facebook business page, instead of promoting your network marketing business or whatever business it is through your personal profile. So, first of all, I got a lot of people telling me that they use their personal profile to connect with people, with prospects, and promote their business. What I mean with personal profile, first of all, now on the screen you can see my business page, my fan page on Facebook. So, this is my personal profile, okay? This is my profile where I connect with people that I know already in my language, in Greek. So you will not understand something special here. But this is my personal profile, bottom line. So a personal profile is a profile where people can request you as a friend on Facebook, and you can request them also as a friend on Facebook. And if you can see, if I will scroll down, I have 158 friends. So they are real friends. I mean, people that I know from my school years, from the university years, from my childhood. You know, we have a contact. I live in a foreign country. I left Greece before 5 years, so we have a contact through Facebook. So now let's go back on my business page. So this is my business page. How I respond to those people who tell me that they build their business, they are trying to build their business online, leveraging the power of Facebook through their personal profile, is that they are trying to build a business, so they need a business page on Facebook. It's so simple, you know. So why to do that? Why I insist always to create a Facebook fan page, a Facebook business page. First of all, you're very limited at your personal profile. What I mean is, imagine that you are not building your business online. You're not a network marketer, for example, but you have a friend on your a real friend, and it's your friend also on your personal profile. This is my personal profile again. So you are not, let's make an assumption, you are not a network marketer, and you got a couple of friends on your personal profile who are network marketers, and maybe they are real friends. I mean, maybe you were at school together, or you know them from the university years. Whatever the case may be, you are real friends and also connected on Facebook through your personal profiles. And now all that you see on your newsfeed when you scroll down, your newsfeed is, this is the newsfeed of my personal profile. So when I scroll down, I can see my friend here, you know, who is posting something, you know, and he's very funny, and I laugh always with him, you know. I can see everything, you know. I'm scrolling down. So whatever whatever you see here, you know, from these 2 or 3 friends that they are network marketers, is pitching. What I mean is, you see on your newsfeed them posting about how much money they made last month, how excited they are about their business compensation plan, or about the webinar they are about to host the other day, and blah 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 blah. Bottom line, all this stuff coming across while you are not a network marketer, or you don't even want to become annoying, all this stuff. That's what you are doing also to your personal friends while trying to build your business using your personal profile. It's the same thing. You annoy them. Now, you may tell me that you don't have a personal friends on your personal profile, that you create a personal profile only to have some contacts, for your business. Okay, I can accept that. And you could tell me that all your contacts are network marketers, for example, that they request a friendship from you, or you request a friendship from them. But again, once again, you are limited. You should know that on your personal profile, you are limited to 5,000 friends. On the personal profile, we are talking about friends, not fans. It's a personal profile. Okay? This is a personal profile of mine. So we are talking about friends. And this number is limited to 5,000 friends. Okay? So take a look at Eric Worre's fan page. Let's take a look. I'm curious. Network Marketing Pro, Eric Worre. This is the fan page. Okay, I will not log in, but you can see the number. It's 1 million, almost 1.5 million. Let's take a look at Robert Kiyosaki's fan page. 3.5 million. Now, you will be limited to 5,000. Is that the case? Do you like that? Okay, go on. So I hope you understand the difference between the numbers. In other case, I have some notes here on my piece of paper. I can go further. A Facebook fan page, and let's go on my fan page back. Okay, can give you some amazing tools like like the Insights tab. Let's take a look here. This is my fan page on Facebook. Insights tab. Okay, I have some stuff. You got unbelievable analytical data for almost everything. But let me give you just a taste, just an example. Let's go and click on posts. Look what happens here. I can see every day, Sunday to Saturday, the peak times. When I mean peak times, the best times that if I will post, I will have a better engagement. What I mean is, this is a peak time. I have almost 21,000 fans on my Facebook fan page, and at 9 a.m. My time, local time, I live in Germany, so 9 o'clock in the morning German time, almost 7,000 fans of my page are online on Facebook. So this is the best time to post something, because I will have a better engagement. Another peak time is this one, it's almost also 7,000. It's 2 p.m. For example, at 9 o'clock in the night, it's one of the worst moments to post something, 9 o'clock German time. Because, for example, most of my fans are in Philippines and in Nigeria also. But let's talk about Philippines. So 9 o'clock German time, I think in Philippines it would be 4 o'clock in the morning. So everybody sleeps in Philippines. That's why I will have a low engagement if I will post this time. So this is just an example. You have all the data inside. This is the back office of your fan page. You don't have it on your personal profile. There's no back office there. Okay. What else? Okay. So another thing is that you can create ads on your fan page. You can't do that on your personal profile. What I mean by creating ads is, let me give you an idea. If you are on your fan page and you click on this drop down arrow, you can click on create ads. And here is where the magic happens, believe me. You can promote your products, your services, even your business opportunity, not directly maybe on Facebook, because Facebook doesn't like business opportunities to be advertised. But there are ways to do that. So you can create ads. This is unbelievable. You can generate leads. You can acquire new customers. You can do practically everything you want. So I'm going back again. Okay. So what can you do on your personal profile if you want? Is to you can share some business stuff also on your personal profile, to be honest. What kind of stuff? You can share some lifestyle photos, for example. You can share photos from an event you attended on your personal profile. Photos from a vacation, for example, you earned as a bonus from your company. Without mentioning your company's name or what you are doing exactly. In marketing, you must learn to raise curiosity. If your friends are attracted to that, are attracted to your pictures or to your photos or your posts, without once again telling the name of your company, then that's great. If they are attracted to, then you can bring them over on your business page and show them what you're all about, what you're doing. So that's the video for today. That's the things that I wanted to share with you. And somewhere below or above this video, there is a link with a free seminar, a free 10-day attraction marketing bootcamp that will help you tremendously if you are determined to build your business online, leveraging the power of Facebook. Then the 10-day attraction marketing bootcamp, it's going to help you tremendously. It's for free, so you can click on the link below or above this video and register for free for the 10-day attraction marketing bootcamp. I hope I will see you on the other side. So till the next video, God bless you all and bye bye.